Welcome to the BMC Helix Service Management Deployment Process Overview. Apex Global is gearing up to deploy BMC Helix Service Management on premises. Let's follow Johnny and Joe through the process.
Hey Joe, ready to kickstart our BMC Helix Service Management on-premises deployment?
Absolutely. Let's make sure we have everything set up for a smooth deployment.
Before we proceed, let's go over the key features of BMC Helix on-prem deployment. BMC Helix Service Management on-premises uses containers, allowing applications to run as containers within our infrastructure.
This setup simplifies deployment and enables fully automated installation while giving us complete control over the environment.
Containerization reduces complexity, making it easier to scale and manage over time.
BMC provides ready-to-use deployment pipelines that automate installing BMC Helix Innovation Suite and service management applications.
These pipelines allow us to deploy the entire architecture quickly and efficiently.
Automated pipelines streamline setup, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring a smooth deployment process. These steps will help you understand the overall deployment process so that you can plan, prepare, perform installation, and post-installation tasks.
First things first, we need to plan. Reviewing the deployment architecture helps ensure we meet system requirements, scaling needs, and security guidelines.
Don't forget, we also need to plan for the Kubernetes cluster, load balancer, and Jenkins server.
Proper planning sets the foundation for a successful deployment.
Let's download the installation files and access keys from the Electronic Product Distribution (EPD) site.
And also you'll set up the Harbor repository and prep the database server, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Preparing the environment involves downloading files, setting up repositories, and configuring databases. Planning and preparing are part of Day Zero activities.
Time to launch the Helix on-prem deployment pipeline. It'll handle the heavy lifting.
So it'll set up the BMC Helix platform common services and the service management apps in separate namespaces?
Exactly. This will fully automate the deployment.
Using the automated deployment pipeline simplifies the deployment and ensures a seamless transition.
Now that the deployment is done, I'll apply the license keys and set up user accounts.
Don't forget to configure user permissions and access controls.
Post-installation tasks ensure the system is licensed, secured, and ready for use.
I'm setting up roles and permissions so the team can start using the applications.
Great! We're almost ready to roll out the idle processes.
Basic configurations complete the setup, making the system operational. Installation, post-installation, and configurations are part of Day 1 activities. For detailed installation steps, refer to our documentation on docs.bmc.com. Click the link in the video description to access the documentation. Thank you.